Let's play together. Come. Wheels. Look, I have a bubble gum machine. It's empty. Wait, guys. Look, I have a makeup. Another one. It's gone. Pag gusto nyong tutorial how to make scissors, click mo lang sa video. Okay? Mami ako na gagawin. See you next time. Wait. Ayun. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.